the sooner na yung tax exemptions natin, we give money back to the middle class, the better also for our economy. Remember, yung ubod ng yaman, sinesave lang yung sobrang pera. Pero yung middle class po natin, sila yung income earners, halos lahat ng pera yan gastos. So the more that we put money in their pockets, the more nagagastos yan. At saka yan usually ang bumibili ng local, hindi imported. So not only yung sa Christmas bonus na exemption na tumaas, but the other tax relief na pwede natin ibigay sa ating mga kababayan na yung mga nasa middle class. No? Kasama na po doon yung halos lahat ng government employees natin. Heavily taxed din sila. I mean, tumataas din ang, di ba, how much is inflation? Between 4 to 6%. But inflation is an average of everything. And food is going up much faster than the others. Food at saka yung pamasahe. Traffic is also getting worse. So, kung dati 45 minutes to work, 45 minutes pa uwi, so 1 hour and a half na lang nawawala sa isang araw. Kung ngayon, 1 hour and 15 minutes papunta, 1 hour 15 minutes, isang oras na wala sa'yo. Hindi binabayaran ng kumpanya yon, hindi mo nagagamit sa pamilya mo yon, unproductive yun. Well, I don't think the President will refuse to sign. I think it's away sa Department of Finance if it's this year or next year and how much revenue will be lost. No? But convinced kami sa Senate side that much less than 6 billion ang mawawala. Pero ang balik nito sa ekonomiya natin is much more than 6 billion.